Some voices are heard, and some voices are lost. And for those lost voices which have never been heard, for those in deep feelings which have never been felt, and for those tears which have never been seen, we have one concrete voice, the Voice Forum. India's economic reform policies of the past 2 decades have significantly and positively impacted the country's income and poverty levels. However, despite unprecedented economic growth, disparities in income and standards of living exist across states, social groups, and along urban and rural lines, and many sections of the population remain without access to basic services. There has been an all-round efforts to better the road to the year 2015. One of the way is to address exclusion, to hear the voice of the voiceless. The Voice Forum is one such effort in this direction.
Delegates who have gathered here from all over India, I tender my wholehearted support to the NACDOR. I also extend my support to UNICEF for working together for the upliftment of the weaker section of society.
The objective of the country consultations is to stimulate discussion amongst national stakeholders and to garner inputs and ideas for a shared global vision of the future we want. And in the same light, a one-day event, the Voices Forum, or Voices Mela, was organized by National Confederation of Dalit Organizations, or NACDOR, in association with United Nations Millennium Campaign, UNMC, on Thursday, 6th of December 2012 at FICCI Auditorium, where a meaningful dialogue took place showcasing the voices of the excluded from the poorest districts of the country.
This world cannot sustain if this massive divide and inequality continues. So the one issue that this conference is tackling, asking the society, let us work together and bridge this divide.
जो हमारे साथ में सहेलियां पढ़ती थीं, वो पैसे वाली की लड़कियां थीं, मैं ये गरीब की लड़की थी जो मैं एमए फाइनल करने जा रही हूँ। आज तक की डेट में मुझे पूर्ण किताबें प्राप्त नहीं हो पाई।
दलित महिलाओं के ऊपर, खास तौर पर हमारी उन नौजवान लड़कियों के ऊपर, बच्चियों के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हुए, वो एक सोची समझी चाल है दबंग जातियों द्वारा।
ज़रूरत है ग्रास रूट लेवल पर तालीम को आम करने की। तालीम वो जादू की छड़ी है जिसे हम अपने हालात को बदल सकते हैं।
The Voice Forum talks about the discourse on advancing the United Nations Development Agenda Framework beyond 2015.
Every year it has been growing. This event is now almost 5 times bigger than the last event that they had maybe 4 years or 5 years back. So the participation is growing, issues are growing. They have been having good successes on certain issues of land rights, on certain issues of bringing the cases of atrocities which would have been earlier pushed aside.
For us today, this is a very good opportunity because UNICEF country program with the government for the next 5 years starts next month, January. And our main focus will be in several states in India, but very much focusing on the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and minorities across 18 states, but also including the areas affected by civil strife.
The meaningful agendas discussed in the Voice Forum clearly indicates the powerful movement created by NACDO, not just in India, but globally, to secure an outcome to direct opportunities for civil society to mobilize public demand for change. Poverty is something that drives a nation into oblivion, that widens the gap between the rich and the sufferers. In today's world, money makes money and hard work does not pay. For any economy to flourish, it is important to bridge this gap and hope for a better India, an equal India, a competent India, and sustainably developed India.